thumb on middle C, right? And immediately after that, we're playing that A, so that one would be the one you circle, right? Everybody, page 13. Let's make sure that you keep your eyes on the page. Does anybody need to do you have a book? Do you want to copy? Oh, you have it. Okay. Yeah. All right. So let's play that first line and notice the following. So the left hand is staying on this range here of the middle C. When we get right here, we have eighth notes, right? So in general here we're playing in 3. So it'd be 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and then here in this measure, 1, 2, and 3 end. We're dividing each beat here in 2 equal parts. All right, let's go from the top. I'll count 3. 1, 2, 3. How did those eighth notes feel? All right, let's play again. This time we're going to keep going. Now notice that on measure 6, we have the first note on the right hand. What is that note? D. So that would be right here, finger 2. All right, from the very top, 1, 2, 3. Ready for measure 9. What is the note on the left hand of measure 9? G. And on the right hand? G. So they're going to be together here. Measure 9. 1, 2, 3. Check it out. It says there, move left hand to C position, meaning your pinky on the left hand moves down to C3, right? So measure 15. 1, 2, 3. How'd it go? All right, let's play one more time, a hair faster. And prepare yourselves, right? Like, so some areas here, when you play the piano, one thing that eventually, when you're doing sight reading, that eventually you kind of get more comfortable with is the unfortunate fact that when you're playing a note, it means that you're already looking at the next note, you know? And when you're at the end of a measure, you mean you already, if you're playing that measure, you already looked at the measure before, and you're already getting ready for the next measure, right? Your eyes and your processing of the symbols has to be ahead at least by a beat. Otherwise, you're not going to be able to play the next beat, right? And places where this can take you by surprise are right here, because you're coming from just playing one hand at a time, and all of a sudden you have 2 hands playing at the same time. And right here, where all of a sudden you see notes going in parallel motion, but notes that are not the same, right? So watch out for these places here to really make sure that you're looking ahead, that once you play, for instance, this note right here, your brain is already processing what's coming next here. All right, let's try one more time from the beginning. 1, 2, 3. ready for G and G.